Listen to this carefully, because this might be the one thing you need to hear today. You've been calling yourself lazy. You've been thinking, why can't I just do it? Why can't I stay consistent? Why do I keep starting and stopping? But what if I told you, you're not lazy, you're overwhelmed, and there's a big difference. Laziness is not caring. Overwhelm is caring too much, about too many things, all at once. Think about it. Lazy people don't sit there feeling guilty for hours. They don't lie in bed thinking about everything they should be doing. They don't feel that weight in their chest when they fall behind. But you do. You feel it every single day. You wake up already tired. Not because your body is exhausted, but because your mind is overloaded. Too many goals, too many expectations, too many voices telling you what you should be. Be successful, make money, get in shape, fix your life, be disciplined, be focused, be better, and it never stops. So what happens? Your brain shuts down, not because you're weak, but because it's trying to protect you. Overwhelm creates paralysis. You don't move, not because you don't want to, but because everything feels too big, too complicated, too much. And then you blame yourself. You say, I'm lazy. No, you're overloaded. You're carrying expectations that would break most people, and you're still here trying. That matters. Let me tell you something most people won't say. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another video telling you to wake up at 5 a.m. or grind harder. What you need is clarity, because confusion creates inaction. When your mind is full of everything, you end up doing nothing. It's like trying to run in 10 different directions at the same time. You don't move forward, you just stay stuck. So instead of asking, why am I so lazy? Start asking, what's overwhelming me right now? Be honest. Is it your goals, your responsibilities, your expectations? Or maybe it's the pressure you put on yourself to have everything figured out. Here's the truth. You don't need to fix your entire life today. You don't need to have all the answers right now. You don't need to become a completely different person overnight. That's not how real growth works. Real change is quiet, simple, slow. It starts with one small step, not 10, just one. Because overwhelm disappears when things become simple again. Instead of thinking, I need to change my whole life, think, what's one thing I can do today? Not perfect, not massive, just possible. Maybe it's getting out of bed a little earlier. Maybe it's going for a short walk. Maybe it's finishing one task you've been avoiding. That's it. You don't need to win the whole race today. You just need to take one step forward, and then another, and another. That's how momentum is built. Not through pressure, but through consistency. And here's something else you need to hear. You are allowed to feel overwhelmed. You are allowed to feel lost sometimes. You are allowed to not have everything together. That doesn't make you a failure. That makes you human. The problem isn't that you're struggling. The problem is that you're being too hard on yourself for struggling. You're fighting your situation and fighting yourself at the same time. No wonder you feel stuck. What if, instead of attacking yourself, you supported yourself? What if you spoke to yourself like someone you actually cared about? Instead of, why am I like this? You said, it's okay. Let's figure this out. Because you don't need more pressure. You need understanding. You need patience. You need space to breathe. Slow down. Not everything in your life is urgent. Not everything needs to be solved today. Take a moment, breathe, reset. You're not behind. You're just overwhelmed. And once you understand that, everything starts to change. Because now, instead of forcing yourself, you start working with yourself. You simplify, you focus, you let go of what doesn't matter right now. And suddenly, things don't feel impossible anymore. They feel manageable. And that's where progress begins. Not in intensity, but in clarity. Not in pressure, but in direction. So the next time you feel stuck, the next time you feel like you're not doing enough, the next time that voice in your head says, "You're just lazy," pause and remind yourself, "I'm not lazy, I'm overwhelmed. And that means I don't need to punish myself. I need to reset. I need to simplify. I need to take one small step." Because your life doesn't change in one big moment. It changes in the small decisions you make every single day. And you're closer than you think. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. One step at a time. That's how you move forward. That's how you take your life back. And it starts right now.